Report by Chief Representative Ishaq Sheikh from Karachi. According to the report, Pakistan says revitalizing the UN General Assembly is essential to strengthen the credibility of the United Nations. The statement was made by Deputy Permanent Representative of Pakistan to the United Nations Ambassador Usman Jadoon while speaking at the thematic debate of the UN General Assembly's Working Group on strengthening and revitalizing of its work.
Thank you very much, Madam Co-Chair. We thank the distinguished co-chairs for convening today's meeting. We align ourselves with the statement delivered by Algeria on behalf of the non-aligned movement. We firmly believe that revitalization of the General Assembly would contribute towards enhancing the credibility of the United Nations and help to promote democratic attitudes and multilateralism. Co-chairs, the selection of the Secretary General is amongst the most consequential decisions at the United Nations. The Secretary General's leadership directly shapes the credibility, effectiveness, and moral authority of the UN. The Secretary General must command the confidence of the broader membership and serve as the voice of the vulnerable and the custodian of global norms. A transparent, objective, and inclusive selection process is therefore indispensable. Pakistan underscores that the Assembly must continue to consolidate its role throughout the selection process, ensuring that it remains transparent, inclusive, and member state driven. We welcome the procedural improvements introduced in recent years, including the joint letter initiating the process, vision statements, public disclosure of candidates' campaign financing, language on conflict of interest, interactive dialogues, and other transparency measures. These steps must be preserved, institutionalized, and further refined to ensure inclusivity and to strengthen the Assembly's substantive engagement at every stage of the process. The process must be guided by clearly defined timelines and a participatory approach. The wider membership of the General Assembly should remain fully informed and meaningfully engaged throughout the process. Pakistan appreciates greater women representation in the leadership roles. We also reiterate that no post in the United Nations system should be regarded as the exclusive preserve of any member state. The principles of equitable geographic distribution, alongside the paramount criteria of efficiency, competence, and integrity, must guide all senior appointments. Co-chairs, empowering the office of the President of the General Assembly is essential to the revitalization agenda. As the Assembly's political and diplomatic workload continues to expand, the office must be equipped with adequate and predictable resources. Pakistan supports strengthening staffing levels, enhancing the secondment process, and providing dedicated secretarial support for documentation and record keeping to reinforce institutional memory. Predictable funding through the regular budget should be enhanced to reduce over-reliance on voluntary contributions and the trust fund, thereby improving accountability and transparency. Multinational character through equal geographic representation within the office should be promoted to reflect the Assembly's representative character. Structured and institutionalized transition processes, including comprehensive handover reports between outgoing and incoming presidents, are essential for continuity and efficiency. We further support regular communications, periodic in-depth reviews, and concise annual reporting by the OPGA with a view to enhanced transparency. Lastly, revitalization must deliver tangible outcomes and translate these measurable institutional strengthening of the Assembly. Pakistan remains ready to engage constructively in advancing these shared objectives. I thank you very much.